We have here Mr. Khan, who is representing the minorities of India, and he's participating here in the protest against Modi. Let's talk to him and know more about his organizations and about him. Mr. Khan, what would you like to say about it?
First of all, thank you very much for covering us. We are representing the Indian American Muslims here. We are traveled all the way from New Jersey, Connecticut, and New York. We are representing the Christian minorities, the Sikh minorities, and everybody that are part of India's diaspora. So the main reason of our protest has been that Mr. Modi has been one of the most divisive figure in the Indian post-India independence India, that I would say. And we feel like under his leadership, under his watch, every single day, Indian minorities go through some sort of atrocities in every single state in India. And we are here protesting his leadership. We are here protesting about what is happening with the Muslims in India. Now the latest issue that they have raked up with the Indian Muslim is about the Waqf bill. This Waqf bill actually is going to take away some of the important rights that the Indian Muslim minority holds against their own properties. These are properties owned by the Indian Muslims, and the Indian government, BJP government, wants to take away those rights from us. We are here to protest against such divisive policies of the Mr. Modi, and also, for a long time, we have seen in the last 10 years that the leader of this nation clearly talks about dividing the people of its own nation. I mean, it's an example that not I have seen in my entire life, where a leader himself calls and says from the stage that you can find these people in the way they dress or the way they eat. I mean, he is indicating that the Indian Muslims actually can be spotted, and that is precisely the reason. Like just 3 weeks back, while Mr. Modi was planning for a trip to the United States, there was a person by name Shabir Malik in Haryana who was lynched by the mob. I mean, what is happening here? You have unemployment that you need to look at. You have healthcare infrastructure that you need to look at. You have the Indian youth that you need to look at. And all you care about is dividing the people of India. So our team here has come together to speak about this injustice that is happening to the minorities. A lot of Dalits are under persecution. A lot of Christians are under persecution. Churches are being demolished. They do not want anybody to speak. The problem is, in a democracy, if the people of the country cannot speak, what sense does the democracy make? This is where we all are standing here to speak about the atrocities happening to the minorities in India, and especially the Muslims.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.